I'm Highlander. We're on eSail, one of the best sailing simulators out there. We're doing the man overboard challenge under power. So we get to use our engines. Got to be 290, 300 heading, and we're up to 7, so we can go ahead and start it. These are the instructions. And of course, when I hit this next, it's going to start, and menu comes up, and this is, you can't hit anything with this up, so that's the only reason we have to do that. After that's gone, then we can go ahead and there's no more issues. Come on. Alright. Next thing we have to do is stop the boat. We gotta heave to. Okay, heave 2's done. Gotta send a message out, distress call. Go into the map room and then press this down for 5 seconds. And then we're gonna get the jib off. Just trying to steer towards our guy. Start our engines. And he's out there swimming all by himself. Where is he? Where is he? Oh shit. I mean, darn it. Didn't even see him. Where is he? Oh, there he is. Alright, we want to be upwind. Gotta be up above him. And all we want to do is drop off. Alright. Now we gotta get ready to pick him up. Alright. We want to pick him up. Okay. Don't see him anymore. There he is. Oh shit, that's a lifeboat. Where is he? Oh, there he is. Coming on the wrong one. Okay, that was kind of a mess, but hey, I did it. 1,000 points. I got 5 up, so global rank 4. So let me pause this for a minute. All right, thanks for watching. Wow, I'm really happy. That's I didn't expect to get that. So global rank under power 4. All right, yeah, thanks for watching.